Hey, what's up, everybody? I got an interesting item here today. It is a Victorine Instrument Company model CDV-717. And this is a Geiger counter or radiation detector from 60s, 70s, 80s, specifically for the civil defense. Now, civil defense is pretty much FEMA nowadays. Anyway, this is a scientific measuring instrument, but it is not meant to, excuse me, detect small amounts of radiation. It is meant to detect large amounts of radiation, specifically for the event of a nuclear accident or a nuclear bomb. So this is not going to detect small amounts of like X-ray radiation from, clay or china or glass or anything like that. This is meant to detect very large amounts of radiation. And I'm trying to remember how they say it. It's Röntgen, something like that. That's the units. So it says R per HR. So that is Röntgen units per hour. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. It comes apart, and the bottom, so it comes apart in three pieces. The bottom part is actually meant to remotely detect radiation. So what you do is, this is the detection device itself in here, and this is cable that you would stretch out, connect here, and then connect also to the bottom of this. You would stretch this cable out like through a doorway, put this radiation detector outside, keep this inside with you so you could remotely see how much radiation was outside. So theoretically outside of a door of your house or, window or whatever. So that's the bottom half. I'll show you the upper half here. So just something kind of interesting, old vintage piece of technology. It took one D-cell battery that you put in here, and it's in really nice shape. Interesting piece of Cold War history. I thought it was worth picking up for a few dollars. Really nice piece of cast aluminum. And it's sealed with gaskets like an ammo can in a way. Anyway, interesting piece of Cold War history. They made these by the millions. They had these in every, church, school, basically anything that was considered a fallout shelter. This was part of the kit, along with, food and water and stuff like that. Anyway, just thought you might enjoy seeing it as kind of a neat piece of American history that was kind of standard kit back in the 60s and 70s. Definitely a cool conversation piece. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.